Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome, and if you're my returning subscribers, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make cloves butter for hair growth. If you're interested, watch till the end of this video, grab a seat and let's get into it. So the first ingredient I'm going to be needing is cloves. You can purchase your cloves from Amazon, eBay, or your local store. Cloves are very inexpensive, and if you don't know how cloves looks like, this is how it looks like. If you're a regular on my channel, you will know I'm obsessed with cloves. I literally use cloves for everything. Now I'm going to go ahead and add the clove to my blender, and I'm going to blend it. When it comes to the measurement, it all depends on the quantity that you want to make. So it doesn't really matter if the clove is smooth or not. Now I'm going to go ahead and add the cloves into a mason jar. After adding the clove into a mason jar, I'm going to go ahead and add olive oil. Olive oil contains anti-inflammatory property that can fight dandruff, itchy scalp, and dry scalp. Now I'm going to go ahead and mix everything together. I'm also going to be adding mango butter. I love mango butter. Mango butter contains more fatty acid than shea butter and coconut butter, which makes it a very powerful moisturizer. It contains vitamin A, C, D, and E, which all helps to promote hair growth. I already have water on the stove, which is already boiling, so I'm going to go ahead and place the mason jar in the boiling water. I'm going to leave it in the boiling water for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, this is how it looks like. Now I'm going to allow it to cool down. After cooling down, I'm going to go ahead and drain it. I'm going to separate the oil from the cloves. Tell me we'll be on a day, babe. I could keep that same energy. When you go low, I go low too. But you'd rather stay high, I know you. Can we stay high, babe? You can tell the cloves as infused into the oil. So guys, if you're still watching and yet you haven't subscribed to my channel, what are you guys waiting for? Go ahead and smash the subscribe button, and don't forget to turn on the post notification so you don't miss my future upload. The next ingredient I'm going to be using is shea butter. Shea butter is amazing at providing healing effect without clogging up your pores. What I love about shea butter is that it's safe to use on all hair type because it's natural ingredient. It's amazing for damaged hair. It provides shine to the hair, as well as this, it prevents dryness and breakage. So with the shea butter, I'm going to repeat the same process. I'm going to add the shea butter into a mason jar. I'm going to place it in the boiling water for about 10 minutes until it's melted. Make sure you allow it to cool down before use. Now I'm going to go ahead and add both oil together and mix well. Now I'm going to be adding vitamin E oil. Vitamin E oil is very good for our hair. It helps with dryness and it prevents hair loss. It also increases the lifespan of this clove butter. The next ingredient I'm going to be adding is tea tree oil. Tea tree oil can help to promote hair growth. It can help to prevent hair loss, hair breakage. It's amazing for dry, itchy scalp and dandruffs. It's also amazing at moisturizing your hair. The final ingredient I'm going to be adding is by far my favorite oil of all time is Jamaican black castor oil. Jamaican black castor oil, it's amazing for all hair type. It moisturizes, thickens, strengthening, and rapidly increase your hair growth. So this is how it looks after adding the Jamaican black castor oil. Now I'm going to go ahead and cover the bowl and I'm going to place it in the freezer until it's solidified, okay? So I need it to be solid. 30 minutes later, this is how it's looking after taking it out from the freezer. As you can see, it's all solid now. I'm going to transfer the clove butter into a bigger bowl. Now I'm going to go ahead and whip it up with my electric mixer. So right now I'm satisfied with the way the clove butter is looking. What I love about this clove butter is that it will help you grow your hair really fast. Oh my goodness, I feel like eating it. It's so creamy and smooth to touch. It will literally disappear into your hair. It will moisturize and soften your hair like no tomorrow. I'm going to go ahead and transfer it to the icing bag just because I'm extra like that, okay? If you don't have it, don't worry about it. Just look for something to scoop up the clove butter in a container. Now I'm going to go ahead and transfer it to a clear container like this one.
Nothing left you thinking that maybe you're not different.
Now I'm going to show you the process of applying it to the hair. Make sure when applying this clove butter to your hair, make sure your hair is clean when applying this clove butter to your hair. I'm going to go in with my leave-in conditioner. Then I'm going to apply the clove butter. Oh my god guys, this clove butter is everything. It was amazing. Her hair was soft, was easy to manage, it was shining, it was moisturized. Guys, you guys need to try this clove butter and just you guys just need to try it. It's amazing. Like, this is like, I'm lost for word. I don't even know what to say. That's how blown away I am with this clove butter. It's really, really good. After adding the clove butter, then I'm going to lock it in with my clove oil. I'm going to leave the link in the description box, so make sure to check it out because all this oil will help you grow your hair really fast. The clove butter will help you to grow your hair You can use any of your chosen oil to lock it in, or if you want to know how I made my clove oil, I'm going to leave the link in the description box. So make sure you check it out, because all this oil will help you to grow your hair really fast. This clove butter will also help you to grow healthy hair. So if you're struggling with thin edges, bald spots, hair loss in a particular area, concentrate more on those areas. Make sure you massage that area after applying your clove butter, okay? Because massaging the scalp can promote hair growth. After moisturizing the hair and locked it in with the clove oil, I'm going to put the hair in a protective style. Don't forget to put the hair in a protective style, as this will help with unnecessary breakage and sealing the moisture. That's the only way you could prevent your hair from drying out, and you can also prevent breakage. You can use this clove butter daily on your hair. It will make your hair soft, shiny, and it will moisturize your hair. You can also apply it to the ends of your hair and use it to seal in moisture. Thank you guys for watching. Let me know what you think in the comment section, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys. Bye.
Yeah.